woke up to your name on my screen. Still feels like you're part of my dream. Coffee's cold, your cup's still clean. It's quiet now where you used to be. And I know I said I'd be okay, but that was just the easy way. I miss you more than words can hold, in the spaces, in the silence, in the cold. I miss the laugh I used to chase, the way you lit up every place. It's not just now and then, it's every day since you went away. I miss you. Your sweater's still hung by the door. I can't bring myself to wear it anymore. Friends all say you'll heal with time, but you still haunt this heart of mine. I tell myself to just move on, but some goodbyes feel too strong. I miss you more than I can hide, in the little things, the quiet nights. Oh, I miss the notes you used to leave, the simple way you'd look at me. I'm holding on, but truth be told, I've never felt this alone. I miss you. Maybe someday I'll feel less pain, but love like ours don't just fade. You're still the song I always play. In my heart, you'll always stay. I miss you, like the stars miss light, like the sea still longs for the tide. I miss the calm you used to bring, the way you made me feel everything. And if I could turn back time, I would love you like I should. I miss you.